Good morning, good morning.
What's up, man?
Man, good. You didn't expect to see me here, did you?
Nah, not necessarily.
But hey, man, this is the official first vlog for Habibi Sauce Performance and Tuning.
Yes, sir.
Let's go get it knocked off right now. What's your name?
Adam.
Where you from?
Oh, man, we can't do that.
You can't do that. I need your social security, your highest level of education. Dang, I can't even give you your background number. Nah, it's okay. We already got you though, Adam. Your nickname gonna be Pretty Boy.
Oh man, that's crazy.
You gotta take your dubs, man.
For walls, man.
Yeah, for what? See the Pretty Boy, Ugly Boy, what you want? Pause.
You gonna have to make it up.
You feel me? See that? Some street racing on. Come on, man. What's the name? A better setup. Name a better setup. Alright, we're gonna make our way around the shop. Dyno's here. We're gonna get to this in a minute. Trust me. This is the other side of the shop that y'all guys haven't seen yet at Habibi Sauce. Where you come from?
I've been hiding the whole time.
You been hiding? Dang, what's your name, bro?
Harrison, bro. What's up?
Harrison. I ain't gonna lie. Where you from?
I'm from Maryland, boy.
Maryland? You working on cars? How long you been working on cars?
Like
forever, we know. Okay,
too long.
Too long. Look. Hold on, so what's your bank account routing number? Social security number?
Ain't nothing in it.
Highest level of education?
I'm a mechanic. I ain't got no money.
Oh, wow. That's crazy, but Harrison, we gonna call you, what should we call you, bro? Oh, what'd you say you was on the 4th of July? You said you got invited to all them parties?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm just a guy, bro.
Nah, you said you was a very likable guy.
A likable guy?
Yeah, that's your nickname. Yeah, we got you. Very likable guy.
I can't help that.
You feel bad. Ooh, that's
okay. Got a light 300 in the backpack. 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 She sent me some pictures on Snapchat. That thing sitting on her back, fat.
we got more plugs going in the car.
Yeah.
What gap you said he's got?
These ones are at 20,000.
20,000 for the CT5-V. This thing will be going on the dyno. What is it? Heads cam, ported blower, LMP lid, big old intake. Y'all see that jump? That's 5-inch intake.
What the hell guys you talking about?
Meth. What the heck? This jump wine good too though. It do, man.
How good is a cat?
Alright, here we go. Well, you see that cat dip? I ain't gonna say nothing bad about it. Never mind. Say nothing bad about it. But what else it has? Meth, flex fuel. I ain't gonna lie, these LT4s, these blower motor combos been going crazy lately. Change the cam to. You wanna say what cam I put in here? Nope. The Habibi Sauce spec cam. I wanna say. I don't know, they been making a lot of steam lately on these LT4s. I'm gonna say like not. Pounds. And it's a 6-speed, so we're gonna have a little bit more to the wheel. I'm gonna say like 9.
No low side yet.
No low side? Dang. 940. 940? What you think, Harrison?
Say at least like 250.
250?
At least.
To each wheel? I wish. 250. Alright, I'm gonna say like 940. Stock low side meth. You say it's on flex, but not full flex fuel, cause E40. Cause
Let's call it E50.
E50. I'm gonna say like 940. Lowest minimum probably like 900. I'm saying maximum 940.
This is a man?
Yeah.
Dog.
Boy, how you?
I didn't pull it in here.
You looking
at putting plugs in and I said okay.
Oh, type shit. Sir, yes sir type shit, yeah.
Yeah, it's going for big power.
Going for big power.
Yep.
Close. 930. 930, 877. Good grab too. Great grab. I was 10 off. Okay. As the oil gets warm and all that, let's go back. He said, no. Ah, it's high. 925, X69. That's a lot of power. That's a lot of power for a stock blower, stock motor. Yeah. It's big power. This thing is nice. Whoa. And we got carbon on the dash too. Yeah, it's a 6-speed CT5-V. The seatbelt just tightened on me by itself. It jumped too fancy. And then when you go in reverse, the side mirrors go down. Yeah, that's so tough.
matter, bro. I'm giving you an idea.
Don't fight the boss, man.
Let me show you the diagram.
Constantly screaming at me, man.
Big boss out here, man. You gotta follow, man, what Mr. Habibi Sauce is telling you.
My feelings be hurt sometimes.
You don't want to put it. You don't want to put his sauce on you.
Alright, come record your shit. I'm about to get over there.
Record. Oh, man. Why I gotta be though? Oh, Imagine don't start.
Imagine.
Damn, my shit getting. I thought we just watched it. Oh, nigga, hate. You gonna hate? You gonna hate?
I hate him, bro. It's just like, I don't know.
Damn, because it's mine.
Yeah, this joint the biggest dud in Northern Virginia. That's what they say. That's what they say on the street. I'm not saying that.
Oh, that's what they say.
That's what they told me. Help that.
Yes, it's it. Hey, you heard what he said, bro?
Now you snitching?
Nah, he. So these are fuel system, retune, or what else?
We did a fuel system, retune, pressure test, spark plug, full maintenance. The fuel system was leaking very bad.
And this is next on the dyno. Okay, we made a little jump. Oh. Okay, 787. 614. That's a 26 jump from the last run. Okay, and over 150, almost 150 from the initial run. So, dang. All right, everybody, we are nearing the end of the first official vlog for Habibi Sauce. And I just want to say, these are a bunch of nice cars getting nice work done on them by nice people here at Habibi Sauce. This is a great place to get your car worked on. Super great place to get your car worked on, actually. Get the sauce from Habibi himself. Dyno over there. You can see what's on there right now. I don't want to say too much, but all these cars are getting great work done to them by great technicians, and it's owned by a great owner. They're actually good people, like super good people. I've met a lot of people that work in performance shops, that own performance shops, that do a lot of stuff that I wouldn't recommend for people to take their cars to. But here at Habibi Sauce, I actually enjoy it. They're great people, and they have integrity. That's the main thing, to have integrity. But this is the first vlog, and this is the ending of the first official vlog here. So Habibi Sauce is out.